So when the narcissist pulls out their victim card and tries to lure you in with their slick negotiation tactics, it's crucial to stay true to yourself and keep your well-being front and center. You are not here to play their manipulative games. No, you're here to shine like a star that you are. Remember, narcissists' attempts to paint themselves as a victim or sweet-talk you with empty promises are just smoke and mirrors. They're not real. There's always something in their sleeve. Tons of stuff there. They're never genuine. It's just narcissistic tactics distracting you from your own needs and your own priorities. Them playing this game so you set your needs aside and take over for them. It's a raw deal. Don't take it. It's not a good deal. I don't know. Because you're smarter than that. You're going to see through this narcissistic charade and stand firm and say no when it's necessary. Surround yourself with like a dream team of just healthy relationships where mutual respect, empathy, and understanding are true VIPs. People that help you see what's real and what's an illusion. Because when you've been blinded by a narcissist, sometimes you need, a seeing stick, and that could be a friend with two working eyes. These relationships, these good relationships, these are the ones that honor your boundaries and give you like that red velvet rope feeling, give you guidance down the red carpet so you know exactly where to go. Your boundaries deserve to be acknowledged and respected, just like you deserve to be in the spotlight for a change. All right. Narcissists are so sneaky. They're sneaky little mofos. They're modern day gods of manipulation. They're little Lokis. They're like, they just study their victims with like precision, just eyeing their prey, looking for their weaknesses. Narcissists carefully analyze the people around them, searching for their vulnerabilities or weaknesses. Narcissists, they're constantly on the lookout for those they can exploit, control, and manipulate. And guess what? You're not alone in their sights. No. They've got a whole entourage of enablers and codependent individuals underneath their spell. All their little flying monkeys that they create, all of them just, have these easily manipulative brains. And the narcissist went in there and tinkered with them all and created this army of lies, an army of brainwashed, zombie people. Those aren't your friends. It's fine. Narcissists play this, the game of life as a twisted game of chess, moving their pawns around strategically to ensure that they have a steady stream of people at their disposal. Everyone's a pawn to them. Narcissists just know how to exploit everyone's vulnerabilities and needs, pulling all the strings like just master puppeteers, controlling the puppet show, the entire puppet show, the stage, the act, the sets, everything. And you can only watch the puppet show from one angle, because if you move around to the side and you see all the maneuvering, all of a sudden, the illusion just disappears. It's like they've got this magical genie power, and everyone that's, trapped in their unsuspecting little twisted lantern of manipulation, what they do is they can only grant wishes that serve their own selfish desires. Everyone else's needs and desires, they don't exist, do they? But fear not. We can shield ourselves from the manipulative tactics of these narcissistic demigods. By recognizing their patterns, understanding their game, and surrounding ourselves with just a mighty tribe of supportive allies, we can break free from their clutches and reclaim our power.